Hello, everyone. How you doing today? This is your famous Dr. O. My topic is life is for the living. Life is for the living. How do you get to life for the living? We have to work hard on young. As you very young, as you are still young, work hard. You hustle, hustle, bustle, bustle. Because when you turn 60, it's gonna be hard. So life that you live before you turn 60 is what I will show in the 60s and the 70s because then life will be for the living. So that's my little topic for you today. That's why you work hard when you are young. So when you get to this age, life will be for the living. You got that? Dr. O. Peace.